Yo, what is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you guys are new, be sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Today's video, we're going to be unboxing some tools I bought for Black Friday, and with that being said, let's get to it. First up, we have some jack stands, some 3-ton jack stands. I'm going to go ahead and cut it open. I'm going to assemble them, and it's very simple. Alright, you guys, so right here I have the jack stands assembled. It was fairly simple and they're very sturdy. Actually, they're very heavy compared to my other jack stands. They just have a safety feature right here where it has a safety pin and then a block that you just insert the pin to lock it in place. And with it out, you can adjust the height, and with the lever it drops. With the jack stands done, let's move on to the engine stand. Alright, you guys, now that I have everything unboxed, comes the easy part, trying to install it, and here's the owner's manual. So with this, I'll try to get everything assembled. Alright guys, here's the full and complete engine stand. Everything's torqued down and it's ready to be used. Looks good. Wasn't too hard, but a bit time consuming. And the reason why I bought this engine stand was to use for this engine I have over here. My plan was to get that engine on that engine mount, because right now I have my other engine stand occupied with the D series, and I plan to have this H22A on the brand new engine stand. It's been sitting there for a while. Hopefully I can get this engine mounted on the new engine stand with some help. But with that being said, that pretty much concludes today's video. Thank you guys for sticking around till the end of the video. If you guys did enjoy, be sure to hit that like and subscribe button. And with that being said, I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.